Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Grab your teas, grab your coffees, because it's time for another video. I'm doing a glow up video today to show you how to get this precise look. This is what I've been loving doing in lockdown at the minute. Lockdown, is it 3.0? Crud knows what lockdown we're in right now. But yeah, I've been getting up, putting a little bit of makeup on just to make me feel a bit more, you know, alive, rather than sitting around. Like, don't get me wrong, there's days where I don't wear makeup at all, but when I do like go out for a walk or go to the shops, I like to put this attire on my face, and I've just been loving the glowy, dewy, healthy looking makeup glow. So I thought I'd show you how to recreate this look. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, I always prep my face with Aveeno. I have already done this before this video to make my skin nice and moisturized. So I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. So this just gives the skin a natural glow underneath your makeup. So I just like to pop this all around my face, just on little blemishes where I want it to like glow, basically pop out more. So it's always under the eyes, like so. And then I just blend this in with a beauty blender. Can you see it gives that glow? Blended in, I like to go in with my foundation. I am using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Age Agita. So this is what it looks like, and again I just put a few pumps on the back of my hand, quite a lot actually, and then I'll go in with beauty blender and just pop that around the face. Concealer, I like the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. So this is like an OG, they've just got new packaging, and this is in the shade Cashew. And I just pop this under the eyes to give that a bit more of a brighten, and then on any blemishes. I've got a couple around here and just down there as well. And then again, I just blend this out with a beauty blender. Powder, I've been using the e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in the shade Medium because I've got a fake tan on, with a big fluffy brush. Just pop that on and just dust it around the face. I use this as like a setting powder. Contour, I've been using the foundation and contour stick. This is actually from Primark. Obviously it's not open at the minute, so I don't know if I'll be linking this one down below, but it's in the shade Chai, and I literally just dab onto the cheekbones, slightly on the nose to give that contour, a couple of dots at the top, and under the chin to kind of hide that double chin of mine, which will be going soon. And then I just use the Revolution, like, I don't know what this brush is called. It's like a flat brush, angled flat brush, to blend it in. Highlighter, I've been using the Iconic Illuminator, and this is the original shade. I just put a few dabs at the top, the hair out the way, just on top of where we've just contoured, really. Bit here, bit there, under the brows. And then I use a different blending brush for this, but I just literally dab it out. And I find that with a blender, it just looks a lot more natural. And then I just use my fingers to blend the accent around, so it gives that glow, you see? And I do this all over. Just a few dabs and then blend it with the finger. A lot in there to blend it with your fingers. Then for blusher, I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury blush. I love this, it's like a shimmer. It's cheek to chic blush, and I've just been using a little fluffy brush. So the middle is more pigmented and the outside is more of like a shimmer. So I just kind of mix it in. Pop that on my cheeks to make it look like, you know, I'm just glowing. Bit on the nose, bit up here. So I've got that glow going on. For brows, I've been using the Revolution Pro Duo Brow Powder in the shade Soft Brown. Looks like this. So I've been using the wax and then the powder over the top. I then like to just set the base of my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I just feel like before I do the eyes, like it just sets it all into place. For the eyes, I've been using the Urban Decay Born to Run, and I've been using the shade Stranded just all over the eyes, and then I've also been using Double Life on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna put that on my eyes. So start off with the Stranded, just to give that glow in the corner. I don't use much, to be honest. And then Double Life, literally the tiniest bit. Just to give that definition to the eyelid. So I just follow basically the eyelid, so it's a triangle, like so. Blend it all out. And then all I need to do now is mascara. So I haven't been putting eyeliner on because literally just being at home, you know, like everyone else. So I've literally been using the They're Real mascara. Just pop that in there like so. and then excuse the faces I make. For lips, I like to prime my lips. So if I'm not going out the house, I like to just put on the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour lip. It just gives that moisture, and it's basically a lip balm. And then when I go to the shops, or you know, just go out for a walk, I like to put some lipstick on. So the lip pencil I've been using, is it a lip pencil? It's lip crayon. It's by Ted Baker. It doesn't have a shade on it. I'll try and find it and link below, but it looks like this. And I got this for Christmas, and I've been loving this. It's just a natural pinky tone. Like so. And then I just, if I want it to be a bit more glossy, I've also got the matching gloss by Ted Baker. Again, it doesn't say the colour, but I'll try and find it for you and link it below. So it just gives that metallic look on your lips. And there you have it. That is my glow up makeup in lockdown. Voila. Natural glow. Just makes me look all healthy and glowy, and I don't know, I'm just loving this look recently. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do, as it would really support my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell for videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, I hope you like this look. I hope you recreate it and try it at home. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye!